We'll see if the old Kubota's got any guts today. We got to pull the 9400 across the bean field.
You guys are about to get a chance to see something pretty interesting here. That 9400 has its injector seals basically, or cups, whatever they want to call them, have gone out and it's sucking air, will not run. So we're going to take the MX100 Kubota and see if we can pull it from this spot all the way over to another landing just right through the beans so the semi can come pick it up to get it to the shop to get some work done. So we're figuring it might be a little interesting video to see if a 100 horsepower tractor can pull a 425 horsepower 35,000 pound tractor. Let's see. Yeah, I'd say like low 4 probably. So
all right, here we go.
well, it's a slow ride, but it's working. The only way that I can steer this thing is to hit the key and use the starter to essentially put enough hydraulic pressure so that I can turn it. So it's a big game to try and get it right up over here.
Millennial back there playing on his phone while we're driving the tractors. Or, well, I guess I'm driving both of them. Sort of. Now he's flying the drone. Poor guy's even got the door open because the AC won't work. Because it won't run. It's only about 90 out right now.
You have any idea how hot it is in the tractor when it's 90 degrees outside? And the tractor doesn't run, so you don't have any air. Whew. Saunas, saunas.
Might go really slow so we don't tear up this tractor's transmission. Across stand and beans, how painful it is. Oh well, we're on our way.
Guys, as Andrew's getting ready to hook up the fertilizer or get some fertilizer onto that cart after pulling this tractor over. Thank you guys for watching. Always consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have already, thank you. Much appreciated, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. You know the problem with parking both of the tractors that we had to use to pull over that thing?
I do. We get to walk back.
Yeah.